everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know what is the interest rate on your Lloyds Bank credit card. So according to the Lloyds Bank credit card, the interest rate for it differs to the types of credit card that you hold. To understand this in detail, open up a browser, type in www.lloydsbank.com/credit card help and guide. This is going to take you to their official page where you could go and read about what are the credit interest rate. So if you want to know what is actually a interest rate, now it tells or helps you with the cost of borrowing money and the cost of showing as a percentage of your money borrowed. And likewise mentioned earlier that they offer different rates, and the interest rate also differs according to the different types of credit cards. So you could go and read about this in detail by going to the credit card that's available in your Lloyds Bank. So that is how you could go and understand it. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.